Yo, y'all like ham steak with homemade honey glaze on it? Potato salad, coleslaw, macaroni salad, club crackers. Hang around, I'll show you what to do. Do it the right way. Mrwhoo's out. Peace. Egrets. Things you see in Florida in your front yard. All right, pretty cool, huh? Hey y'all, Mrwhoo's cooking on a budget. Really easy meal today. Got some ham steak. We're gonna put it on a swamp pack. Just like so. I trimmed the fat off. Not all of it, most of it. And I'm not gonna season it today. All I'm gonna do is wrap this up in the swamp pack, put it on the grill. About 20 minutes before it's done, I'm gonna do a homemade honey glaze. Coat both sides, turn up the heat a little bit, and we'll check it then. We're gonna have coleslaw, macaroni salad, potato salad with it, with some club crackers. All right, hang around. Show you what's up. Probably asking yourself, Mrwhoo, what are we looking at? Well, we're looking at the beginning of a homemade honey glaze. I have honey in the bottom, brown sugar, and that's honey mustard. And now we're going to stir it up. That's all there is to it, folks. All right. That's what it looks like when it's stirred up. All right, let's put it on that ham. Yeah. All right, look at that. Now we're going to cover it back up and let it cook. In a minute, we'll flip it to the other side. All right, there's our ham. And I'm going to spread this honey mustard, brown sugar and honey, aka honey glaze, all just smother it. Now I only got one hand, so I'll show you what that looks like when I get it done. All right, got the ham steak flipped. Got the homemade honey glaze on it. Let that cook for a while. And in the meantime, we wait. Just hurry up and wait. All right, not much to it, y'all. Not much. Oh yeah, look at that ham. Man, it smells so good. She's about done. You could eat it now, I mean, no problem. I like to get that honey glaze into that ham. Really, really good. All right, it turned out to be a beautiful day. They had a cloud in the sky. I had egrets in the yard earlier. I just had a chicken hawk. As soon as I come out the door, the chicken hawk flew off. Yep. It's getting to be springtime in Florida. Okay, see you in a minute with a finished product. Yo, finished product, y'all. Ham steak with a homemade honey glaze, cooked on the grill. Coleslaw, potato salad, macaroni salad with some club crackers. Sound good to me. What about y'all? Get it. Thanks for the support, y'all. Subscribe, like, helps the channel tremendously. God bless. Y'all have a good one.